Hi CAA agents, I am back. So here I am talking about a lot of things about this app. Now I am going to share with you your portal where you can save your details and give access to your team members and so on. So let's move on sub admin portal. So here you see that managed users. These are all details of those team members you have given access to. And here you will give access to your uh, team members. And there are the security rules. Let's talk about these security rules. Uh, Agent access. I know that the C agents are very confidential, so that is why I am using this function for your app so that your team members use your credentials only that time when you have given access to your team members. Let's, for example, let's I copied this one and go to home or home dashboard, open it, and let's start a new application. And just here you see that enter access code. Your details are very confidential and saved and don't seen by your team members. But if you given them code and they will put here unlock your details. So here you will see two details, profile 1 and profile 2. I will came here later. So let's come to some other points here. Security rules, and yeah, there this is for 1040 RNR, same procedure, and this is for delete authorization because your team members will delete recent application at that time when you give this code to your team members, else they have no permission to delete any application at any time. You have all authority and you have all authority on your team members. So this app, when you put this copy this code and go to your home dashboard and start this one, and here you will see they can't delete, only you will provide them code and then they will permission to delete any application. So you have all the control on your team members. So let's move to the next function. Here you see agent profile details, like this one I have put one these details. So just save them and yeah, this one also, just save them. Now let's move where we can use these details. So before that we have to copy this. You can change anytime these, you can change anytime them. So just copy them and go to home dashboard, launch them and resume here. So here you can lock section here and you will use that code here. So here you see that those details are appeared here. So when you click on it, then those details are appeared here. When you want to profile 2 for another CAA, because one agency has more than one CAA agent, so you can use these details also. Just save them and yeah, all things are cleared. So there are some conditionals that are very important details. You have to put them, else W7 uh, have not have not be filled and not be accepted by IRS. So these are the very important details. So let's move to the next function that has authorized to CAA. So here, mailing address. This is for 1040 NR and a mailing address. You see, you can put here any details and save them. and you can use it repeatedly again and again. You have not to write again and again, just you have put one time and you can use it again and again. Let's come to here, uh, home dashboard, resume. Here you can see that you when you put here, these all details are appeared here. When you move them, then all details will appear here. When you put the check this box, when these all details appear here, that you have saved on your admin portal. So this is all about functions. Let's summarize them. Here, manage users are those people or those team members you have accessed them. Onboarding, you can access here by giving them access here. Like managers, I want to delete this one and just go to there, and I want to again give them access. So yeah, that's all. Now you can use here and refresh this page, you will see here the details. So here you can freeze them. There some some team members are going to weekends or have some papers, so they can, so you want to not to use this app, so you can freeze them their access here instead to delete again. So you can unfreeze here and freeze here. This is very important, and this application has a lot of functions that are needed to CAA agents. You can modify them here also, and you can access them permit agent bypass. So all the things are here. So for now it's done from my side. Hope you like it, and share your feedback. Thank you.